kind of appropriate for the weather.
Today's forecast reads sunny skies, but it looks like rain. How can it be that way? And I feel the drops on your skin like lavender. If you haven't heard, it's the state I'm in. Gently felt and spoken, where I said the viewpoint's wrong. Where I've been too long. I'm standing on the edge of sunshine and rain. Life's bright, can't wait in the walking lane. I'll pass you by and wave goodbye. I'm standing on the edge of sunshine and rain. Life's bright, can't wait around all day. I'll pass you by and wave goodbye. Yeah, yeah. Summer thunderstorms like hotel of tie-dye t-shirt dreams, a flower state of mind, and about the words that slipped out. Won't you sit down over here next to me? That's how it should be. Where I said the viewpoint's wrong. Where I've been too long. I'm standing on the edge of sunshine and rain. Life's bright, can't wait in the walking lane. I'll pass you by and wave goodbye. I'm standing on the edge of sunshine and rain. Life's bright, can't wait around all day. I'll pass you by and wave goodbye. Today's forecast reads sunny skies, but it looks like rain. Can't always be this way. I sit on the sidelines under an umbrella for whatever comes my way. Let's hope the weather stays. I'm standing on the edge of sunshine and rain. Life's bright, can't wait in the walking lane. I'll pass you by and wave goodbye. I'm standing on the edge of sunshine and rain. Life's bright, can't wait in the walking lane. I'll pass you by and then wave goodbye. Yeah, yeah.